Okay, dear children, now let us continue with BRS, okay, the remaining questions of BRS. So, previously I had said that we will not do this amended cash book, okay. So, let us have a look at question number 7. So, let us just read the question first. Let me just have a look at this question number 7. Okay. So this question is about the reconciliation from favorable passbook balance. So in question number 3 and 5, you could see that your question, it starts with the cash book balance. Okay, that is the favorable or a positive uh, bank balance as per cash book. Okay, in question number 5 and in question number 3, it was the same thing. Okay, that you started with favorable bank balance according to cash book. Okay, favorable, that is a positive balance. Okay, now in question number 7, we are starting with a favorable balance but as per passbook. Okay, now in question number 3 and 5, whatever you have done will be just the opposite. Okay, so in question number 3 and 5, when your question starts with cash book, your answer should be as per the passbook. So you have to deal according to passbook, because you cannot make change in the passbook. Okay, because you are not authorized to record transactions in the bank statement or passbook. Okay, so in question number 7, when you are starting with a favorable balance as per a passbook, okay, as per your passbook, then your answer should be as per the cash book. Now you must think according to the cash book. Okay, so you have to uh, include those transactions which are already included in cash book. Okay, you cannot make change in the cash book, because in the real life world you are not allowed to overwrite. Okay, you're not allowed to overwrite, you're not allowed to use any kind of whitener or uh, any kind of correction material. Or again, in the real world situation, you are not allowed to uh, just cut this down. Okay, just omit this, sorry, like, you cannot just cut this transaction. Okay, once you have recorded, okay, now you are just cutting it down. Okay, you are just hiding this transaction which you have already recorded. This is not allowed. Okay, if you do so, then you as an accountant will be behind the bars. Why? Because it will be the case of 420, 420, 420 वाला काम हो जाएगा. Right? So let us try to see as per the cash book. And I want to repeat one more time that whatever you have done in question number 3 and 5, it will be just the opposite now. Okay? Now, your question starts with bank balance as per passbook. It is a favorable balance. So for the passbook, the favorable balance is credit. Okay, for passbook you write credit, and you will record the amount in the plus column. Why? Because it is a favorable amount. Now there are no this kind of listing of transactions are given. Okay, it's given in a paragraph wise. So whenever you see a type of a paragraph question, it's a bit problematic to have a look at. Okay, so we can give them this numberings like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, or you can also write A, B, C, D, whatever you think fit. So the first transaction. Now let us read the question. On the 31st, December 2018, a merchant's passbook showed a credit balance of 5,800. So whenever a passbook shows a credit balance, it means it is a favorable balance of rupees 5,800 and it should be recorded towards the plus side. Okay. Now a comparison of the entries with the cash book revealed that he had paid in checks amounting to rupees 500 on 30th December 2018, out of which checks of the value of rupees 260 were credited in the passbook on 3rd of January 2019. Now, the person, okay, you can think, okay, you can assume it to be yourself. Okay, whenever you solve a question, okay, whenever you are solving a question, assume that you yourself are included in that particular question. Okay, put yourself in that position. Okay, then it will be more easier for you to connect with the question. Okay, just think that these transactions are related to you. Okay, it's happening with you only. Okay, then you can uh, relate yourself with the uh, given situations in the question, okay, accordingly and very easily. So you have deposited 500 rupees, okay, which means in cash book you have already recorded 500 rupees as the receipt, that is in the debit side. Okay, in cash book you have already done plus of 500, but this in the passbook, okay, or the bank credited this amount of rupees 260 next year. Okay, that is on 3rd January 2019. But in passbook you have already recorded, okay, you have already entered 500. Okay, but this passbook, they have only credited rupees 240. Why? Because remaining amount 260 was credited afterwards. But as I already said that your answer will be according to the cash book. Now you must think as per the cash book. Okay, whatever the transactions that you have done already in cash book, because you cannot make change in the cash book now. So in passbook there is already the entry of 500. So which means the bank is also supposed to include 500, but out of 500 only 240 has been credited till this date, till this 31st December. Okay, the remaining amount 260 was credited next year, that is on 3rd January 2019. So 260 should be included in the plus column. Why? Because your answer will be according to the cash book. Okay, now next transaction. Okay. He had issued checks amounting to rupees 1,700 before 31st December 2018, of which he found that checks for rupees 840 were debited in his account after 1st January 2019. Now, this person, okay, you can assume it to be yourself only. You had already issued a check worth rupees 1,700. Okay, let us suppose that you gave me the check. Okay, sir, this is a school fee, so please, you deposit from my side. So you give me a check, rupees 1,700. Okay. Now, whenever you issue a check in favor of any person, what you do is that you record immediately in the credit side, that is in the minus side. Okay, you will subtract the amount. Okay, 1,700. But out of 1,700, only 860 was presented for the payment. Remaining 840 was not presented. Okay, so that 840 should also be subtracted out here. Why? Because in the cash book we have already made the subtraction. Okay, so 840 should be kept in the minus side. Okay, so this check worth rupees 1,700, this can include like 800 plus 160 plus 500 plus 340. Okay, whatever amount you say, but the total amount is 1,700. So out of this total amount of checks, that is 1,700, only 860 has been presented till the date. Okay, but remaining amount 840 was not presented. Okay, it was presented next year. That is on 1st January 2019. Okay, that is after the 1st January 2019. Okay, so on 31st December, whenever you issued the check, you have already recorded in the cash book, so it should be subtracted. Okay, now this one, there was a debit in the passbook of 25 in respect of bank charges. Now this bank charges was not recorded in the cash book. We have not recorded in cash book. Only it was recorded in passbook, but it was not recorded in cash book. So what should we do? Because cash book has not been subtracted, it should be added. Okay, it should be included in the plus side. Okay, now there was a credit of rupees 30 for interest on current account. Now bank is providing you the interest. Okay, bank provided you the interest on your account, rupees 30, but this has not been included in the debit side. This has not been included in the plus side, so it should be subtracted. Okay, now after completing all the entries, we know what to do. Just find the total of minus side. The total is 870. Okay, again find the total of plus side. It will be 6085 rupees. Okay, for the plus side, and for minus side it will be 870, and we have to find the difference. Okay, and we already know that whichever side is more, you have to write the difference out there only. So 6085 rupees minus 870, it should be recorded in the plus side. Why? Because the total of the plus is more. Okay, so you write the difference out here, 5215. But we already know that your answer will be as per the cash book, because your question is starting as passbook. Okay, so since it is a positive balance, for cash book it will be debit side. Okay, and remember, for passbook it is a credit balance. uh, if you compare this question number 7 with a previous question like 3 4 5 whatever, okay, 3 4 5 6 maybe, uh, if you just compare these questions with 7, you will find a difference. Okay, everything is completely upside down. Okay, whatever you did in previous questions, okay, 3 4 5 6, you have to do the opposite treatment. Everything is upside down out here. Okay, so uh, watch this video carefully, and if there's any kind of confusion, please let me know. Okay, so solve question number 8 by yourself, and show me your work. Okay, if I have solution of question number 8, yes, I have solution of question number 8, but I will not provide you at the moment. I want you to solve first by yourself. Okay, then only I will provide you the solution of question number 8. Okay,